In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp with consulting clients. Hi everyone! If you work with clients and want a simple way to organize projects, communicate clearly, and show progress at a glance, this walkthrough is for you. We'll move through ClickUp step by step, keeping everything tidy and easy to follow so your clients always know what's happening. First, create a dedicated home for each client. In the left sidebar, click the option to create a new space or a new folder. Either works. A space is great if you want everything about that client separated at the highest level, while a folder is helpful if you're grouping multiple clients under one broader area. Name it after your client so it's instantly recognizable. Keeping each client's work in its own container helps you avoid mixing tasks and makes reporting much easier. Next, inside that space or folder, create a list where the day-to-day work will live. Click to add a new list and give it a clear name like Client Tasks or Project Tasks. Think of the list as your client's task board. It's the place you'll come back to for planning, updates, and collaboration. Now add tasks for the actual consulting work. Click to add a new task and create one for each discrete piece of work. Things like a strategy session, a report review, or a follow-up meeting. Give tasks straightforward titles so anyone can understand them at a glance. If a task spans several activities, keep the title focused on the main outcome so progress is easier to track. Open each task and use the description to capture the details. This is where you put notes, scope, client instructions, and anything your future self or your client needs to remember. A clear description avoids back-and-forth messages and helps align expectations. You can paste meeting notes, outline deliverables, and include any context that clarifies what done looks like. When everything lives in the task, your team and your client always know where to look. Finally, share progress using task status. Keep it simple: to do, in progress, and done. As work moves forward, update the status so your client can see what's planned, what you're actively working on, and what's completed. Consistent updates build trust and reduce check-in emails. If you're diligent about status changes, clients will feel informed without needing extra meetings. And that's how you use ClickUp with consulting clients. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.